So we're doing the first 85 fill up on my dash truck. Is that a cop? I'm really impressed with my dash truck. I mean, it is a heavy truck too, so I'm gonna see if we get him to start going out to race too. Fuck it, we start racing this truck on digs.
Ciudad peligrosa, Phoenix, Arizona. Por eso todo el tiempo ando bien armado.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna make a video. Today is Friday. So on my dash truck last week, they finally did everything. I haven't uploaded the video of me getting tuned, but I showed a clip of what they were doing to my dash truck because they were doing it here while I was over there. We did a JD fuel system on my dash truck. We did headers, a pulley, a smaller pulley, and the FIC injector. So we just needed to get tuned. So Angel pulled up right out to the shop because I guess he was gonna be nearby. Yeah. Angel came down to get it tuned really quick because he was gonna be in the area, so we don't have to drive out over there. On my truck, I have a race set up tomorrow. So I'm gonna make a video on that. Obviously, I'm gonna race that Raptor blower truck again, the one that I raced that one time. My tranny almost blew up. So obviously, I took everything off my truck right now. I still gotta take off the seat. Yeah, I'm gonna do a low dollar race tomorrow with that guy. I think like 500 bucks. We said. Yeah. See how it goes. All right, so we're doing the first 85 fill up on my dash truck. Then we're gonna start data logging it after. That's the first 85 fill up. Bring it all the way up.
You tell me. You tell me. And then,
probably go down the same road now that way.
so we'll just do it from here to there.
Yeah.
And then we'll go somewhere else.
Wants to set up a dyno where we all take our trips.
Oh yeah, let me know. I mean, if you don't have someone, I have a guy right here in Ontario.
Is it dyno list?
Yeah.
I think that's who he hit up. He hit up dyno list. I think he told him 80 bucks for 3 pulls.
Yeah, let me know. I'll go. Because I have to throw a dyno tune on it so that it doesn't shift.
Oh yeah, that's what someone told us about that.
Yeah, so I can go and we can do that.
He's gonna need a transcoil on this shit. This shit starts running hot right away after a couple pulls.
Let me see what trans temp is that.
This has the digital one.
Oh, we'll see. That's a 25.
Yeah.
25 of that?
Yeah.
25. 186. That's chilling. They run hot.
I know when I've done pulls on it, when I did a video on it, bro, that shit hit fucking, it went up to 2 something right away after like 2-3 hits.
Yeah, let's check your pressure.
And that's at half temp, so that's what mine runs at half temp, 186, like 180, 190.
Yeah, roughly. We'll say even if it gets to 220, it'll still be at half temp. Anything over 2, once you start seeing it into the yellow, that's when it's getting warm.
Because mine always says at half. No matter how many pulls I do, it does not go past half.
Yeah, no, yeah, that means it's chilling. Yeah, if it was getting super hot, it'll start climbing. Once it starts getting past half, it's like, okay, it's getting warm, you know what I mean?
So then at a quarter, what's it at, like 130?
Oh, a quarter? That's cold. Yeah, that's probably like 130.
Yeah, that's why my truck doesn't like it, bro.
Yeah, 130 maybe, 140-ish, 150.
Because on the freeway, it's always usually around 130. Sometimes it drops even lower.
Oh, okay, yeah.
To test it after with my truck, this one of mine. This shit will for sure be on a dig though, bro. Fuck yeah.
Oh, I'm thinking that these things they hit hard. started. That was second gear. Watch. I'm gonna check this log and we're gonna let it sing a couple gears. I'll hit it in first gear. First gear on the Whipple trucks is pretty fucking violent. Probably just check the coolant when you get to the
shop.
Once you let it cool down, just make sure like this shit's top. Once it's cold, obviously, let it sit. Just top that off, and then obviously go change the oil.
I'm gonna order it today. When we get back, I'm gonna order something.
It felt good.
We didn't have any green one in stock. I'm telling you that food to order. They had mine in stock. I ordered it right now. But
This is stock one or?
No, well, it's the one. Yeah, the one that it needs, but we didn't get the HD one.
I can't see. I'm fucking blind. I can't see without my glasses. It's tight as fuck though, so I'm pretty sure it is.
Yeah, it's the right one. It's just not the HD one, the green belt.
So it's not shifting but we're commanding it to shift. So
I told him I was gonna happen because it's big ass tires.
Yeah, it's just heavy because it is spicy. So you don't want to not show them and then break it or get yourself in some trouble. Let this car run ass.
So I tell him too, bro. I'm like, with these, it's better you always have like a manual mode, 4x4, and do the pulls. Cause he expected like his little Silverado that's a 6-stroke. He just floors it in there. I'm like, nah, these kind of do a little different stuff to him.
No, and these things get real pissed off too.
Is that a cop?
Is that a cop?
It might be airport security.
Hopefully it's not a cop.
It is a cop, sure.
Really looking?
Nah, I don't think so. I don't care. The shows are usually pretty cool around here. It's the PDs that are dickheads.
I think he knew what we were gonna do.
He makes a turn up here. Unless you want to go to the other street over there where I do the data logging, it's literally up the street right here. It's like a straight warehouses. That's where they used to do racing before.
Yeah, I think he's turning left. Yeah, he turned.
All
right.
Fast you go, that shit felt like you were not letting go.
No, I wanted to make sure all the gears hit as they should.
Fuck. Alright, so we data logged my dash truck. Angel drove it. It's making good power. Angel was surprised with it because my dad's on a stage 1. So it's a stage 1 Whipple, so it has a stage 1 throttle body. It doesn't have the big throttle body. And it made a good amount of boost with the pulley we put on it. So Angel was surprised. So he says it's running really good. On one of the tunes, it made like, he said it'll probably be like 900 horsepower. It felt fast, but my dash truck is too heavy. He's on big old 20s. His 305 55s. The tire is a big tire. So the transmission, they had it to shift at 7,500 RPMs, and they didn't want to make the change until like fucking they didn't want to make the shift until like 8,000 RPM. So they turned it out a little bit, so it's not at the full max capacity. Because that was a fast ass pull. I'll show you guys which pull it was when I upload the video. I'll edit it. That pull was fast. But on the last one, he kept it on. It felt good. It felt really fast. Right now, my dad and Angel went to drive it. My dad went to go drive it, and Angel was to show him how to race it and stuff, you know. But yeah, he pulled up here, so he came in clutch. He was able to pull up. Then we got on my truck. I gutted it for the race tomorrow. I still gotta take out my seat. But yeah, we'll see how I go tomorrow. I'm gonna make a full video out of that tomorrow about the race. So You guys can see what's up. So like I said, I'm gonna rerun that Raptor blower truck again. I'm gonna rerun him again. He had already beat me once, but we're gonna see how it goes. I like how it sounds. It sounds like a little old. It reminds me like an old Hot Rod Chevy or some shit. But yeah, when you step on it, it's fucking way too loud. Like idle, it sounds nice. Alright, so the truck did start turning off like mine did when my dad was gonna go out driving. So Angel put the new tune where it won't shut off supposedly now. So I'm coming to drive it right now to make sure it's not gonna shut off. So I'll see if I do a little pull right now, my little brother. Oh, what do I record? Record yourself. Oh, they're bringing my belt already. Here's the thingy. Oh, Apple pay you for the pulley.
Hey, good.
I'll send it to you.
You can do a 4-1.
Oh no, I don't think so.
He always does.
It's crazy, bro.
Every time he leaves the shop, he's fucking all that.
Alright guys, so it's already the end of the day. I guess you guys can see the data logs that we did on my dash truck. It was pretty fast. Angel was impressed with the truck because it's on big ass wheels, and the pulley size that we put on it is making more boost than was expected on that pulley. So it's moving pretty good. One of the tunes was really fast. On that tune, Angel said was probably making like 900, but he had to turn it down. It's because the wheels are so big. Obviously, it's heavy, and they were commanding the transmission to shift at like 7,500 RPMs, and it wouldn't shift to like 8,081. So they had to turn it down. Like, now we can't risk it. You know, you end up blowing the transmission. So yeah, they turned it down a little bit. It's still pretty quick. I feel like genuinely on a day it got my truck. Definitely on the day, this shit does not feel like my truck, and it doesn't skip second gear. My spins just skip second gear. This truck just puts it down and it goes. So I'm really impressed with my dash truck. I mean, it is a heavy truck too. So I'm gonna see if we get him to start going out to race too. Fuck it, we start racing this truck on digs. We gut it obviously, because I mean he's on big ass heavy wheels. We could put 17s on it. Take out the bed cover, tailgate, bumper, seats, you know. Could get this bitch to be light as fucking race too. So I'm gonna do videos where I test it on my dad's truck, obviously just to see if you guys can compare the ESS versus Whipple, see what you guys want to spend the money on. And they're both AML tunes, so it should be a pretty good comparison where it's literally just straight the different boosts, you know, different superchargers. My truck is ready for tomorrow. Like I said, tomorrow I'm gonna rerun the Raptor blower truck. I'm gonna race it again tomorrow. So gonna see how it goes. It is a pretty fast truck. He did beat me the first time, as you guys seen in that video. He beat me. As you guys seen in that video uploaded where my transmission almost gave out, he did beat me. So I mean, my truck is faster now. I'm obviously on 85. At the time I was not on 85 yet, so, and he was. So it'll be a pretty good race. See how it goes. It should be low dollar, but hopefully we could get a pot going because my homies all want to put some money in it. So
500 on the red Ford. 500 on the red Ford.
So we're gonna see how it goes. Everything's the same on my truck. I haven't changed anything, just literally 85. It has a fuel system now. So yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. Ahí quedamos por ahí.